Hey, you're here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here today in Strathroy, Ontario, cleaning an Eavestrough. We did a shingle repair up top. The ridge line shingle blew off, so we repaired those. We also were cleaning the Eavestroughs. It's a good idea to get your Eavestrough cleaned once a year. It keeps them free of dirt and debris and leaves. It also doesn't clog it up, so when the snow starts melting, it doesn't back thaw under your shingles. It keeps them nice and flowing. The system we also have at Legacy Flat Roofing keeps us off your trough. We're not attaching ladders and sitting right on the trough. Sometimes that bends and kinks the trough, which ultimately just doesn't make it look good. If you need your Eavestough clean, you're in the Southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to help. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.